I know, not quite what I had intended to be putting out right at this moment. As some of you who have followed my channel for a little while have realized, I've done a couple of videos on First Amendment auditors. And the First Amendment auditors do an important job. Some of them do it sloppily, some of them do it dangerously, and there are some that are just assholes. However, there is a story developing right now where one of the First Amendment auditors, going by the handle Furry Potato, was shot just a little while ago in California.
He told me he was going to shoot me dead. He said if I move, he's going to shoot me dead.
The snippet of the video that I saw showed him standing outside of a gate on a city sidewalk, filming through the gate at a security guard who was holding a Glock. They say, I couldn't ID the firearm from the video, it was really quite bad, but who was holding a firearm and threatened to shoot Furry Potato. Furry Potato. Really, can't we just use our names, guys? What's with these stupid handles? I mean, the police have already identified you 87 times from Sunday. And this security guard threatened to shoot Furry Potato if he didn't leave. Threatened to kill him dead. Now that part I didn't see. I didn't see that snippet of the recording. I saw an excerpt of the recording that was put out by News Now Patrick. And quite frankly, what I saw was appalling.
Get away.
Oh! Fucker shot me! Fucker shot me in the leg! Fuck!
Get away.
Oh, the fucker shot me in the leg! Fuck! God damn it! Ah! Fuck! He's...
Nothing. You have nothing. There's a warning shot. You keep doing that, I will charge you real.
When the police arrived, and they arrived pretty quickly, it looked like, they showed up and they put Furry Potato in handcuffs. Now, don't know if they also arrested the actual shooter, which really, really is appalling that they didn't arrest a person who shot somebody on the street. I mean, at the very least, shooting an unarmed man should get you a trip to the station for a conversation. So we don't really know what is going to happen or what has happened there yet. The details that have come out are sketchy and they're going to be a little slow. I'm going to say, and it's going to be roundly ignored, don't jump to conclusions. We don't know what happened here yet. We have a snippet of video that Furry Potato put out, but we don't know what transpired before that video started. However, at the time the video shows that Furry Potato was shot, from Furry Potato's point of view, I don't see anything threatening. However, there may be another camera that picks up a different angle that could show something different. Still, this is one of the problems and one of the risks that happens when people step out to enforce their First Amendment rights in a sketchy manner. Other people start to freak out. Now, that's not laying the blame for this on Furry Potato. The guy that shot Furry Potato is the one who pulled the trigger and should have known better. If you're going to carry a firearm, you should know how to use it and when to use it. However, there is a certain amount of liability and responsibility that falls on the participants in the action. That means that Furry Potato could have identified that his behavior was escalating the situation. So we don't know what transpired before. We don't know how a situation got escalated to the point where a security guard felt the need to draw a weapon. I don't know if there was a need to draw a weapon. I don't know that there wasn't. So what we don't know is more than what we do know. But what we do know is pretty clear. You shouldn't be shot for filming people on a public street. You should also have enough common sense to realize when the person you're screwing with is getting so out of line or out of whack that it's creating a danger to yourself. That's one of the problems that some of the First Amendment auditors have. The guy hates the state. He goes, he picks someone says something, he harasses it, follows around, makes snide comments. He shouldn't do that. Do his recording, that's fine. Stand up for his rights, that's fine. Attack and harass, that's a problem. I don't know if that's what Furry Potato did. I hope not. But even if that is what Furry Potato did, being shot isn't an acceptable response. Not now, not ever. I fear that this situation that occurred today in California is going to set the idea and the necessity of the right to record back as opposed to advancing it forward like it should. I hope that after a review of the facts, Furry Potato will talk to counsel and decide whether or not they're going to seek some form of compensation for his injuries from the security guard, the company the security guard was employed by, and the facility the security guard was working at. I'm reasonably sure that there are plenty of attorneys in California that would love to take that case. Anyway, stay safe. For the love of God, if you're going to do First Amendment auditing, pay attention and try not to put yourself in a hazardous situation. If your situation is getting hazardous, it is getting dangerous, you have to be aware of how the other people are responding and make the decision at some point to disengage before you get hurt. You cannot advance the cause by being a martyr to it. Thank you.